Greetings. Welcome to our official YouTube channel Pettaka Technologies. In this video, let's see how to calculate percentage of two columns using DAX functions in Power BI. In this ticket status table, we have three columns. First column contains the month name. Second column contains number of tickets received on each month, and third column contains number of tickets resolved on each month. By using this source data, let's calculate the percentage of difference between tickets received and tickets resolved column values. To get percentage of two columns in separate column, we will add a new calculated column. For that, go to Table Tools tab and select New Column. We will rename this new calculated column as completed percentage. We use percentage symbol and we will start writing the DAX function. We use divide DAX function to divide the two columns and calculate the difference between tickets received column values and tickets resolved column values. Select ticket resolved column, comma, then select tickets received column, comma. In alternate result, we use 0. Perhaps if this calculation returns error, then we will get 0 as output. Close the parenthesis of divide DAX function. Click on tick mark. We got new column completed percentage, but still the outputs are in decimals. We need to convert these decimals to percentage. For that, we will select this completed percentage column, and in column tools, in format, convert this into percentage. Now all values in completed percentage column are converted to percentages. This is the simplest way to calculate the percentage of two columns using DAX functions in Power BI. If this video helpful to you, like this video, ask your questions and share your feedback in comment section. To watch more videos like this, visit our official YouTube channel Pettaka Technologies. To book your slot for online training, visit our official website pettakatechnologies.com. To get notifications on upcoming videos, subscribe to this channel and activate bell icon. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.